If you've been getting Zapier error notifications that are either too late, too frequent, or just not set the way you want, this video is going to help you fix that in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go in Zapier to update your notification settings and set the frequency to immediately so you can stay on top of issues as soon as they happen. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. It really helps the channel out and lets me keep making more step-by-step videos for you. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is where Zapier keeps your account level options, including settings and notification controls. After that, click Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage different parts of your Zapier account. On this page, you'll want to find Notifications and click it. This section controls how Zapier alerts you about errors, updates, and other account activity. Once you're in Notifications, look for My Notification Settings and click that option. This is the area where you can adjust exactly how and when you receive notifications. If you want Zapier to alert you as soon as something happens, this is the place to make that change. Now click Edit. This opens the notification preferences so you can make changes. In the frequency setting, choose Immediately. Make sure it's spelled and selected correctly so you know Zapier will send alerts right away instead of delaying them. After selecting Immediately, save your changes if Zapier prompts you to do so. That's it. Your notification settings are now updated, and you should start receiving Zapier error notifications instantly so you can respond faster and keep your automations running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you fix your Zapier notification settings, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.